Welcome back, everyone. Now I request Professor Dr. Vivesan Murthy, Director Naipur Guwahati, to initiate the award of Master Degree Scrolls to our graduating students.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the chairperson of the Apex Council of National Institutes of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, I admit you to the degree of Master of Science, Master of Pharmacy, Master of Technology of this institute, and charge you to be worthy of the same. Now, Registrar will read out the names batch-wise. Radhakrishnan.
Thank you, sir. Now I'm reading the names of the students who are receiving their degrees from the different departments for the batch to 2022 to 2024 batch. First, we would like to start with Master of Science Pharma from the Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology, Prachi Suman. Arjit Mandal. CH Sairam Chaudhary. Kendresh Suraj Shivaji. Ahire Chetana Yuddhav. Kumbare Mayur Naresh. Malsa Luangi. Mansi. Chaugule Vivek Shravan. Rankab Suresh Dattatray. Pankaj Garg. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving their degrees from the Department of Pharmacology Toxicology in absentia. Anupama Pal, Dhruv Sharma, Puneet Sharma, Vikas Garg, Kotame Lige, Lakshmi Devi, Kanchi Sharma. Now we'll move to Department of Biotechnology, Deshmukh Kajal Hanmant. Nirvane Suraj Anil. Andare Shubhangi Chaggan Rao. Kumkar Pratiksha Somnath. Adrija Day. Shinde Prasad Govind. K. Lakshmi Parvati. Akanksha Goyal. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia. Prajakta Chandrasekhar Gaikwad, Panchi Rani Nara, Agurla Shushita, Rashmita Datta, Damane Vijaya Vishwas, Raj Digambar Varkedkar. Now we'll move to Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. Divate Madhuri Avinash. Anima Maiti. Hatnelam Hokip. Fast, थोड़ा fast, जल्दी. जाओ. बड़ा के सौरभ पांडुरंग. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia from the Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. Gudeti Auchitya, Sonane Sagar Jnaneshwar, Anjali Mukesh, Pate Sonali Shivaji Rao, Shinde Akash Karbhari, Raju Datta Kute, Wahule Pawan Shivaji, Guje Nihar Balaji, Anjali Vishwakarma, Sonu Pradyot Raju, Suraj Kumar, Jadav Manisha Suresh, Navratan Soni, Nitesh Rai, Shashank Bajpai, Marathe Siddhi Sachin, Patawar Varad Raghunath Rao, Bankar Akshay Suresh, Kannan, Mukul Yadav, Ramavat Bhagavan. Now we'll move to Department of Pharmaceutics. Rajesh. Pandav Ganesh Maruti. Sangave Sanchita Danchandra. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia from the Department of Pharmaceutics. Pratik Kumar Pandey, Nachiketa Palit, Janrao Akash Pandit Rao, Vikash Yadav, Patel Rohit Kalluram, अर्जुन वडकर संदेश संजय, सयाली बलवंत राठौड़, दराडे विलास अंगद, पवार अभिषेक अरुण, सतपुटे हर्षदा सुनील, चालवा तनुजा सिद्धेश्वर, किरण भारती अमित नगर, नवनागे ऋतुजा उमेश, ईश्वर चंद्र मुर्मू, दोले विजय दत्ता, सप्तमी गोस्वामी, मसालगे निकिता मनोहर, लवंद सुरश यादव, रजत वशिष्ठ, बत्तिनी सौम्या भवानी. Now we'll meet to Department of Medicinal Chemistry, Nandurkar Sandeep Sopan, Sandra Mayao, Shaukat Parvez, now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia from the Department of Medicine Chemistry: Twinkle Chakrabarti, Sri Lakshmi, Agnikula Kshatriya Parvati Singh, Gade Naveen Kumar, Nutan Kumari, Patil Sudam Rao Saheb, Chauhan Das, Insia Ice Cream Wala, Sonon Sachin Madhurkar, Janvi Avinash Raut, Gugulotu Prashant. Now we'll move to Master of Pharmacy from the Department of Pharmacy Practice, Bodepalli Chandana, Saurav Indraban Wadgule, now I'm reading the names of the students who are receiving their degrees in absentia from the Department of Pharmacy Practice: Vishmita Varghese, Kirti Raj, Chonglu, Shubhangi Shastri, Patil Arti Sanjay, Vari Naga Gautami, Anshika Mittal, Haripriya, Galikutta Reddy Kumar Reddy, Hasik, Pawan Shakshi Anant. Now we'll meet to Department of Pharmaceutical Technology Formulations in absentia: Patil Ruchira Purushottam, Rashmi Sinha, Arshad Arvind Takate, Pooja Kumari, Shanbag Gaura Gururaj, Asha Kant Suhas Bad, Giri Anjali Hariram, Maila Ravali, Paval Pratiksha, Sonavane Harshada, Raut Divya, Bosale Sunil Shivaji, Aditya Balasaheb Popase, Jadav Shubham Sunil. Now we'll move to Master of Technology from the Department of Medical Devices, Kale Rutuja Kailas. Now I'm reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia from the Department of Medical Devices: Harsh Manish Varia, Todupuniri Varun Sai, Davuluri Saumya, Nishanta Kakati, Chadalawada Indra, Masure Sonal Narayan, Jadav Sachin Jnaneshwar, Patil Dheeraj Siddeshwar, Intikab Alam, Rautu Sai Kiran Gaud, Pratik Malviya, Pawar Niranjan Ganesh, Rohan Baburao Vadave, Velugu Ganesh. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the Master of Science form from the batch 2023 to 2025 from the Master of Science from the Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology: Amanda Marak, Aparna Ray, Balerao Supriya Vijay Kumar, Biju Ahmad, Jadav Praveen Vikram, Jagdish Buyan, Karthik Kosti, Karthik Tyagi, Manish Chandar Joshi, Manvi, Mayuk Das, Mohammad Mushahid Reza, Mohammad Saniul Islam, Prerna, Ramya Buradi, Shilke Pallavi Prakash, Sumit Nanda, Shweta Saswati Das, Uttar Narayan Pal, Vanfidabet Sokia, Vijay Krishna Banik, Swati Tirunal Achari, Devulapalli Sai Sindhu, Saha Ankita Damaleshwar, Amit Prajapati. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia from the Department of Pharmacology Toxicology. Alvin Ambadas Kalambe, Kapil Soni, Prasad Gajanan Sonar. Now we'll move to Department of Biotechnology. Akash, Babani Shankar Patra, Bange Omkar Dilip, David Lal Rumata, Halikede Vaidehi Shivkumar, Arshit Gupta, Kati Pavan Kalyan, Lad Sushant Suryakant, Mahajan Gayatri Meghraj, Mogale Gayatri Shailesh, Vaibhav Dondiram Chavan, Walekar Harshali Santosh, Chaudhary Akshay Jitendra, Viritkar Ruchita Raju, Shreya Sudhakar Arsade. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees from the Department of Biotechnology in absentia. Dhanushri, Kamkar Jyotika Ajay, Prajwal Tiwari, Shreyash Ravinda. Now we'll move to Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. Aditya Srivastava, Anandu, Balpure Abhishek Gajanan, Bondarkar Prajakta Jnaneshwar, Durisheti Preeti, Kalesh Shyam Shirish Kumar, Karkile Dayasagar Rajiv, Madan Pal, Mayuk Chain, Meenakshi B. Prakash, Patlavat Vishnu Nayak, Pawar Saurabh Baba Saheb, Poloju Rutvika, Rijit Kumar Das, Salvi Jatan, Samiksha Sharma, Subhadeep Laha, Shubhashri Shubhashmita Biswal, Urvakili Golla Satish Chandra, Mudireddy Kushlav Reddy, Arindam Senapati, Gadade Ajit Angad, Surya Prakash, now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia from the Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. Ajit Kumar Singh, Golla Sivaranjani, Maila Ajay Babu, Manisha Meena, Prakash Kumar Panda, Rathod Mahesh Ramesh, Somi Saha, Wahule Kristital Rambao. Now we'll meet to Department of Pharmaceutics. Anjali Srivastava, Ankan Das, Ayush Rai, Bhaskar Rauka, Chellu Divyanjali, Chilbule Yogesh Bhagwan, Dakate Rutvik Prabhakar, Kamdi Ishika Raju. Kurana Simran Anil. Nelvade Vishnu Ramarao. Nikita Datta. Niloy Roy. Patil Mayur Ishwar. Ratikanta Das. Rini B. Shrankal. Tanaya Bandarkar. Vivek. Wag Poonam Gorknath. Nainsi Rajput. Shivam Rajput. Surjit Diman. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia from the Department of Pharmaceutics. Alakat Aniket, Babare Manish, Chinmay Ganesh Patak, Galande Onkar Manik, Gadave Sneha Bapu, Moksha Silokar, Shweta Vishtal Bhaskar. Now we'll move to Department of Medicinal Chemistry. Ajwin Joseph Martin. Aman Singh. Amruni J. Mathad. Aradhana Varghese. Harshdeep Singh. Jadhav Mrunal Sandeep. Jagannath Acharya. Meshram Nikhil Murthy Kumar. निशांत शर्मा, पवन, प्रलया साहू, रिपुंजय कलिता, साबले साक्षी हरिदास, शैलेंद्र कुमार, सूरज प्रतापति, तिमिर नस्कर, ऋत्विक कांड्रा, पाटिल अबोली नीलेश, रवि आजाद, Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving their degrees in absentia from the Department of Medicinal Chemistry: Gaurav Verma, Kunuru Sai Kiran. Now we'll move to Master of Pharmacy, Department of Pharmacy Practice: Anjana Das, Jadgale Rohan Danaji, Jagdap Mahesh Prabhakar Rao, Malvi Ajay Chinaram, Nikhil Sharma, Patil Jainaj Vinod, Pratyush Sandilya, Rachel, Shalmala Sri Lakshmi, Sangam Mahobia, Ajish Muhammad, Shivam, आशीष, अंजलि केवी, सनप सुजता बबन, कृष्णप्रिया वेलायुधन, रेशमा कृष्णन. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia from the Department of Pharmacy Practice. Kamired Ruchita, Kotakonda Sudharani, Tiwari Suraj, Yogesh, Nimmala Bhargavi. Now we'll meet to Department of Pharmaceutical Technology Formulations. Ankit Kumar Singh, Anu Rai, Boyer Harshala Ramesh, Vinod Kumar Sethi, Bondre Lavanya Sailash, Divate Maulali Avinash, Faz Faruqi, Gosavi Gaurav Arun, Harshada Shankar Patil, Jayesh Suryavanshi, Kodak Sandeep Janardhan, Mahajan Harshal Sanjay, Nair Sandesh Satish, Patil Milind Mahadev, Sunkamble Supriya Shesharao, Torbole Shubham Uttareshwar, Jadhav Sarika Narayan, Dabe Abhishek Vijay, Irandol Sujit Shankar Rao, Amisha Patel. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia. Arbaz Khan, Bangare Priya Prakash, Dongde Bhavika Tushar, Swarandeep De, Titkare Jayesh Ravindra. Now we move to Master of Technology from the Department of Medical Device, Adesh Mishra. Chaitanya Shrenik Durgar. Dashpute Darshan Mahindra. Daun Prasad Kalyan. Matre Vaibhav Bharat. Paridhi. Vitale Rohit Bharat. Veer Aishwarya Bala Saheb. Karande Rutuja Janardhan. Patil Lalit Sanjay. Takle Renuka Shivaji. Tejashwini. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia from the Department of Medical Devices. Pulugu Vedavyas, Ade Rahul Tulshiram, Shwale Gaurav Sanjay, Nishidi Ashok Rao Raut, Abhilash. Now we'll move to Department of Biopharmaceuticals. Gaikwad Ankit Babu. Ritu Sahu. Now I am reading the names of the students who are receiving the degrees in absentia from the Department of Biopharmaceuticals. Abange Gauru Dhananjay, Argade Viraj Rajendra, Jagdap Krishna Santosh, Kabade Sushant Subhash, Kamal, Ankita, Patil Mayur, Ugale Ujjwala Sanjay, Kope Aishwarya. Congratulations to all the students.
Thank you very much, sir. On behalf of NIPER Guwahati, I sincerely thank our Secretary, sir, Department of Pharmaceuticals, for taking his time to visit NIPER Guwahati and gracing the occasion of 7th convocation as a guest of honor. Sir, we are truly honored to have you here, and it's very encouraging for us to have you here for the students as well, and the interaction what we had with you in the last 2 days, it's memorable for us. Thank you so much once again from NIPER Guwahati side.